नागपुर की शान बढ़ाने वाली और एक बात सामने आई है, जहां पर मिस यूनाइटेड कॉन्टिनेंटल 2016 की रनर अप रही लोकमुद्रा राउत का नागपुर आगमन हुआ। इस दौरान उनके परिवार समेत कई प्रशंसक वहां उपस्थित थे। नागपुर यह संतरों के साथ साथ देश के हृदय स्थल के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। साथ ही अब नागपुर यह मिस यूनाइटेड कॉन्टिनेंटल 2016 की रनर अप रही लोकमुद्रा राउत के नाम से भी जाना जाने लगेगा। लोकमुद्रा के आगमन के लिए उनके माता पिता समेत कई लोग नागपुर हवाला अड्डे पर मौजूद थे। इस दौरान उनके घर वालों ने बताया, उन्हें विश्वास था कि एक दिन उनकी बेटी उनका नाम जरूर रोशन करेगी। वहीं नागपुर शहर के कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष विकास ठाकरे ने बताया कि लोकमुद्रा ने नागपुर का नाम रोशन किया है, जो बहुत गर्व की बात है।
Obviously nothing like home. I'm very happy to be here, and especially when you're welcome with your people, so your relatives, everyone, then you feel the sweetness of your victory definitely increases, and I'm very very ecstatic right now. I did not feel as happy at the Mumbai airport because I couldn't see my mom, my sister. She's been like a biggest supporting pillar.
Talk with her, right?
Yeah, so now that you see your people, it's like fantastic.
Share your experience with us. What was your journey throughout?
My journey was phenomenal because going to a Spanish country and when people you cannot interact with them, and I had to learn Spanish just to go and talk to them because to be able to interact. So it has been quite an incredible and a very rare experience that it's once in a lifetime, and I'm very glad that I've got an opportunity to represent my country. At the same time, meet so many countries because it's the beauty pageant is a platform where all the cultures, all the religions and countries and languages, the whole world is standing on one stage. The beauty from the whole world. So I'm very happy to be here.
The moment you were crowned as Miss United Continents, what was the exact feeling you were feeling?
The feeling was like, wow, I'm sure I've made my country proud.
You had that wala feeling.
The thing is, when you go and when everything happens like cut,
Yeah.
top 6, top 10, top 6, top 3, you don't realize it takes time to it takes time for you to realize that it has really happened, and when people come, the media come, people congratulate and appreciate, then you start realizing it. So I'm kind of realizing it right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How your parents were supportive, all through the journey?
The parents have been very very supportive. My sister, my jiju, my dad, my mom, because I actually initially thought that should I even go for this, because representing your country was such a big responsibility on my shoulders. But when this happened, my father told me on the phone that go for it. Why are you scared about? What are you scared about? And my mom told me, because I belong to a Maharashtrian family.
Exactly.
I speak Marathi, so my mom's name is Ragini, and she said, "तू रागिनी जी नहीं वाघिनी जी मुलगी है."
Oh my God.
मैंने कहा अब तो चक दे बैठे, nothing should stop you.
How does it feel to be a celebrity now?
I don't consider myself like a celebrity. I live like a normal life like everybody does. But it really feels quite appreciated when people want to meet you, they want to click pictures with you. So it's a sweet gesture, and it's something that I'm enjoying right now. But I don't think I'm different from any other girl. I'm just as grounded as I used to be.
As I know, you're a social worker also, so how you manage time to take out from such a busy schedule?
It's just like if you want to do something, you have to manage time, and yeah, it is difficult to handle, but it's not impossible. It's just the time management skill.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
तो बहुत करती हूँ, और मैं खुद चाहती थी कि वो मिस इंडिया बने, मिस वर्ल्ड लेवल तक जाए, और मेरी खुद की इच्छा थी। और आज वो जो उसने मेहनत की है, तो कहीं वो मुझे देखते हुए भी की है कि मेरे बहन की इच्छा मुझे पूरी करनी है। तो मैं बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ कि वो मेरी छोटी बहन है पर मेरा नाम रोशन करी है, तो बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है।
हमारे नागपुर के लिए ये देश के लिए गौरव की बात है कि जागतिक स्तर पर सेकंड रैंक में आना, और मुझे लगता है कि नागपुर शहर वासियों के लिए ये बहुत सुखद घटना है कि एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली की लड़की इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट पा सकती है, और हम सब लोग उसका अभिनंदन करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं। और देश के लिए, हमारे नागपुर शहर के लिए और नए हमारे क्षेत्र के लिए, जिस क्षेत्र में वो रहती है, हमारी रिलेटिव है और मुझे लगता है कि हम सबके लिए गौरव की बात है।